Hello guys, I would like to welcome you to my second part on how to use Coinomi and Waves.Exchange applications. In the last video, I showed you how to use these applications or websites on computer, and now I will show you how to use it on your mobile phone. First off, we will start with Coinomi this time, and as you can see, right after I clicked on the application, the Coinomi opened, and here we got two options to choose from. You can see that there's a create a new wallet and also restore a wallet. We will go through creating a new wallet, and here, right after you click on the button, there is your recovery phrase. What you are supposed to do is to write it down on a piece of paper, which you should store somewhere in order to make it safe. What you really cannot do is to make a photo of it or a screen, the photo of your screen, because the application won't let you afterwards to switch between the applications, so you won't be able to write the recovery phrase from your mobile phone. So I will just quickly write down the my recovery phrase, which you can see here as well. Bright lemon common card smooth draw and invest. Then you have to check this box that you have safely stored your recovery phrase offline, which is required. And then you have to click on the words in the same exact order you had it before. So I had swap, coil, mosquito, fan, rich, sort, express, contact, control, forward, suspect, energy, oval, impact, silver, aim, divorce, sauce, bright, lemon, common, card, smooth, draw, and invest. As you can see, it's the color of the text changed to green, which means it's correct. So I will click on next, and I can set password. Oh, yeah. So I have to think of one like this. 1, 2, 3. PTC test password 1, 2, 3, and done. Passwords didn't match. Okay, once more. Test password 1, 2, 3. Now they match. So next. And here you can see, or here you have an option to choose another coins, which is Bitcoin. I will choose Bitcoin and Dash, for example, Dogecoin. And what I want to change is you have to find it yourself. So it makes it harder a little bit, but what I want to find is Litecoin. So then you click on next, and this is the base screen on which you can see your balance. So if I click here, there's the balance of my Bitcoins, Dash coins, Dogecoins, etc. And it's really and it's really useful. So for example, if you want to send if you want to make a transaction, so you want to receive, you just click on the Bitcoin, then you swipe left, and here you have either QR code, which can be scanned by a user of Coinomi. So you just type here 10 Bitcoin, you will receive 10 Bitcoin and click on it. Or you can use the address, so your friend or the sender will copy the address and send you the amount of Bitcoin. Also, then you have send. So again, you can either fill in address or alias or scan QR code. So you can see here is the screen of my photo of my camera, and also you can here amount or use all funds. I have none, so I can send nothing, and then you just simply click on send. It's basically the same with all the other coins, so there's nothing else to add. Also, when you click on the plus button down in the right corner, you can add coins, tokens, or tab browser, which I don't know what is, but you want to use it. You can also synchronize. It will just you will reload the screen, or sweep wallet, which means you're gonna transfer coins from a paper wallet to your Coinomi wallet. So yeah, you can scan it through a QR code and just simply click on sweep. Here you have more options when you click on the three lines in the upper left corner. You can either exchange, buy, invest your cryptocurrency, and also here is your Bitcoin wallet. If you click on Changely, it is an app inside of an app. Here you will be redirected to, if you click on Total Swap, you will be redirected to a different website. Changely is easier, but I don't really recommend you to use it here. You can either buy or gift cards. Again, you are redirected to a website by using Simplex. It's basically the same as in the computer application. Here you can also trade or invest using the Hydra token sale, which again you will be redirected to a different website. Here, if you click on settings, you can add coins, token or test coins, which are for testing purposes. So I don't know if a basic user of the app will use it. Exchange rates, which is pretty helpful I got the application in Czech, so I've got some words you maybe don't understand, but there are exchange rates 1 Bitcoin to fiat currency. Disable promotional banner is just to disable ads. Screen lock, you can use it to set PIN or Face ID. Export data, then advanced settings. SegWit, you can enable SegWit, trusted node, recovery phrase, export keys, which you will be redirected to a website, export, change password, or delete wallets. Or also you can change your language. Support and about, you can explore it yourself, but these are the basic functions of the Coinomi wallet. Next is the Waves.Exchange. Here, as you can see, I'm in the first screen. You can see after you download the app. So I click on create a new account. I choose an avatar, and here I will use my account name. So we will just do it BTC test 2, create a password. So again, BTC test password 123 BTC test password 123, and then we click on continue. Yeah, they'll do it now. You'll enter a passcode, so I'll enter 123 1234. It's verified. You can also use Face ID. So first off, you will be direct into investments. We are not really interest in investment, and also if you want to know more about the investment option, it's discussed in the first video, because it's roughly the same as in the website, or on the website. Here you can also trade in the real time, which is pretty much helpful if you want to trade the cryptocurrencies and you're not currently at home or near your computer, so you can trade the coins using your mobile phone. But the most important here is wallet. You can see that there's the basic there are the basic tokens or coins: Waves, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, etc. If you click on it, you are able to see some information, token information, and here you are able to send with, again, you need an address or QR code, and also you click in the amount, which I won't be allowed because I have no money, and also the transaction fee for it. Also you can receive, which you click on, yeah, and here you will be generated, your address will be generated, and also you have QR code. I will click on close. You send it, the address, to your friend or the sender, and or the QR code. Now it's stuck, so I have to reload. Yeah, I will get. Well, we are back here. As you can see, the mobile app is kind of slow. It takes a lot of time to the uses to load. Here you have some kind of a chatting application inside. Here you have a fast button on send and receive. Also you have history, which history of transactions. In the upper right corner you have the clock like thingy is your transactions history, and the second one, the two markers are if you want a quick send or receive. On the left side you have a fast QR code maker and your address, which you can copy or share, or you can create an alias. What is important also is, again, the security, which here you have your addresses and public keys, and also you have the ability to create an alias, or here I have address book, which I believe is that you put in the addresses of the people you usually make transactions with. Push notifications, you can either allow them or not. Your language, which is pretty limited, you can either have English or Russian language. Backup phrase, here is your backup phrase, which you have to write down, again, on an offline piece of paper. I've written down, and it will be set. There you can change your password, your passcode. You can either allow or disable the face ID, and also here is the button to log out. So that's probably all what I can and I will show you today. Hopefully, these two videos were helpful for you. From my personal experience, I was kind of confused how to use these applications, so I hope that at least one of you will be saved by these videos. So thank you for your attention, for that you looked on the video, and have a nice day and week.